Hello everyone, today let's explore 3 types of wall plates and their installation method. Designed to work with weatherproof boxes and GFCI receptacles for various scenarios. Let's dive in. Decorator stainless steel wall plate, rust-proof and durable. Dual screw holes for easy fixing, perfect for industrial spaces, basements, or high protection environments. Decorator plastic wall plate, equipped with screw holes for quick indoor installation. Ideal for living rooms, bedrooms, and home settings. Screwless decorator plastic wall plate, sleek design, paired with wall plates fitting, just snap it on, perfect for hotel lobbies or luxury homes. Secure the GFCI receptacle into the weatherproof box and tighten the screws. Install the decorator stainless steel wall plate. Align and fasten both screws with a screwdriver. For the screwless decorator plastic wall plate, first fix the wall plates fitting with screws, then snap the plate into place. All 3 wall plates installed. Each has unique strengths. Choose the right one for your needs. Thanks for watching. To learn more about our products, please visit our website www.shayshlinsky.com.